Every day we work on these cars, we find another bump, another scrape, or another mark that tells a story. We now live in an era where penalties are handed out regularly. The racing itself runs without the ability to self-regulate like it was when these cars were racing back in the early 2000s. This short clip from the 2001 Clipsal 500 shows why every door and panel gap don't exactly sit like they used to, but it's all part of the journey as we bring these cars back to life.
Let's have a look at some of them. There were about 7 or 8 of them, very big ones, plenty of them. Now, we're not here to judge the individual incidents, but these types of situations can certainly change the course of a championship, and unchecked, these kinds of problems can turn into a real drama with drivers making their own justice decisions. Now, how many of these things were punished? Well, virtually none. Only Jason Bargwanna was given a stop-go penalty. In the view of many people, it was black and white, not a case of grey. And on top of this, there were start line infringements, pit lane violations, people dawdling at restarts, and it was all virtually unpunished. Barry Sheen joins us once again. Quite extraordinary. I've never seen the drivers or the team managers so up in arms about officialdom.
Well, you have to say the officials are consistently inconsistent. Well, at least 2 teams, to my knowledge, let stuff go into the pit lane. They got fined, I don't know how much, 2,000. Well, it's immaterial.
They basically got flogged with a feather.
Exactly that. I mean, really, the reality is, it's quite simple. This is the rule book. It's black and white. It's even I can read it, and they don't read it. They don't listen to it. And basically, what they were doing, they're saying, well, okay, you can cure it by just paying a check. And to the big teams to pay $2,000, it's like you're all right paying $5. But you see now, say for example today, if somebody's holding, say, Bargwanna up or whatever it is, Bargwanna can just punt whoever it is up the backside, knock them off. And if Ham's trying to do anything, say, well, hang on a second, Radicic got away with it last week, so should be fun.
Plenty more discussion.